Virginia, one of the hardest hit parts of the country, is moving closer toward reopening as more states ease restrictions. But as ABC's Alex Brichet explains, a political fight is brewing over federal guidelines.
Today, New York Governor Cuomo is headed to the White House. His meeting with President Trump coming as the state posted its lowest number of COVID cases since the pandemic began. Cuomo now focused on reopening hardest hit New York City by identifying zip codes with new cases of the virus.
Those zip codes tend to be predominantly minority communities.
More signs of progress across the country. Retail stores in Los Angeles allowed to reopen today. The National Hockey League announcing plans to restart. But the number of COVID-19 cases is rising in at least 14 states, and images from the holiday weekend raising concerns that number will increase. Dr. Deborah Birx stressing the long-known guidelines.
Social distancing is absolutely critical. And if you can't social distance and you're outside, you must wear a mask.
The president and his 2020 opponent, Joe Biden, sparring over masks. Trump has refused to wear face coverings in public. Biden opting to wear one on Memorial Day.
He was standing outside with his wife, perfect conditions, perfect weather. And so I thought it was very unusual that he had one on.
I mean, every leading doc in the world is saying we should wear a mask when you're in a crowd.
President Trump also threatening to move the GOP convention from North Carolina this summer if the Democratic governor won't allow full attendance.
The CDC has also clarified its guidance on when COVID patients can be around others, saying if you've had no symptoms and if you've had 2 negative tests in a row, at least a day apart. Alex Brichet, ABC News, Washington.